Dr. Sambit Patra from the BJP, and I want to get a quick reaction from him. Dr. Patra, what is happening? What is happening?
Sabotage of democracy, that's what is happening.
Is this sabotage of democracy? What happened in Gujarat earlier today?
What happened in Gujarat? We have two versions and both of them are right. In the sense that the senior police officers said that there was a traffic chaos. Traffic had come to a standstill, so Mr. Kejriwal, because of his security, was asked to come to the police station so that they can clear the traffic. What's wrong in it? And secondly, well, yes, at 10:31 a.m. today, we had the clamping in of the Model Code of Conduct. Naturally, every law-abiding citizen has to take a permission if he or she has to hold a rally.
There was no traffic jam. It was just a show of strength that the Gujarat government was trying to do.
Maruk, you've asked me for a reaction. Let me complete.
No, but I have to interject when you keep going on,
I'm
Dr.
not
Patra.
keeping going on. I am speaking the absolute truth. This is a classic case of VIP syndrome where Mr. Arvind Kejriwal doesn't in fact like to be questioned by the law.
But what is happening outside the BJP headquarters?
Yes.
It's not that BJP workers are just sitting very quietly and letting Aam Aadmi Party workers protest. They're equally involved in the violence.
They are not involved at all. You have entered a house. You in the sense is AAP. The AAP has involved itself in vandalizing.
They were protesting outside.
This is not the way of protesting. You cannot vandalize the property. You cannot enter the gates of a national party's office. And this is not the way of protest. You could have easily protested in a peaceful manner at Jantar Mantar, but is this the way? Vandalizing property, entering into others, trespassing into others' premises, is this the way you protest, or is this the way you sabotage democracy at the behest of Congress?
I also want to ask you, Dr. Patra, isn't the BJP now realizing that taking any kind of action against Arvind Kejriwal in Gujarat was handing him a topic on a platter? You handed him this opportunity on a platter.
Maruk, tell me, is the law of the land not to be abided by any law-abiding citizen? What did? Javed, I'm really angered today in the sense that the sabotage of democracy...
No, you're angered because what you tried to do in Gujarat has backfired.
What has happened in Gujarat? If there was a traffic chaos, if the police personnel in Gujarat respectfully asked Mr. Kejriwal to step aside for a while till the time that they take care of the people in the traffic, and that too keeping the security of Mr. Kejriwal...
Just a second, Dr. Patra, we have Shazia Ilmi reacting there. Let's try and listen in if we can hear her speak.
बता दो कि मीडिया को हुआ क्या हमारे साथ, तो क्यों आप लोग कह रहे हैं? बताने तो दीजिए। हम लोग यहाँ पे सुनिए, कोई मांग नहीं थी, हम प्रदर्शन करने आए थे सिर्फ ये कहने के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल की रैली पहले से डिसाइडेड थी। बिना झंडों के, बिना बैनर्स के गाड़ियां जा रही थी, कुछ भी नहीं कहा गया, लेकिन डिटेन किया गया और हिरासत में लिया, फिर उसको रिलीज भी किया गया। चुनाव आचार संहिता की बात कही गई, मालूम है मुझे, लेकिन जब पीसफुल जा रही थी और पहले से डिसाइडेड थी रैली, हमें लगता नहीं डिटेन करने की जरूरत थी। पहली बात वो सिर्फ हम ये कहने के लिए कि नरेंद्र मोदी शर्म करो, ये कहने के लिए हम आए, और मैं खुद मौजूद थी, बड़े पीसफुली, सारी पुलिस बुलाई, पत्थरबाजी अंदर से की गई, कुर्सियां फेंकी गई। आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे इतनी बदतमीजी मैंने इतने प्रदर्शन देखे, लेकिन ऐसा मैंने किसी ऑफिस से बदतमीजी करते हुए सारे शौक नहीं हूँ कि हम लोग सिर्फ नारेबाजी कर रहे थे और कुछ नहीं। और ये देखिए वाटर कैनन, ये देखिए मेरे हाथ में प्रधानमंत्री इतना रफ बिहेवियर।
पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट से बात कर रहे हैं, मेरे आगे माइक लगा अभी से ले कहा जा रहा है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के जो कार्यकर्ता थे वो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड थे।
आम आदमी पार्टी के वॉलंटियर जिसमें मैं भी थी, सबसे पहले हम लोग आए शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से खड़े होकर, बीजेपी के दफ्तर दरवाजों के सामने हम खड़े हुए, इन्होंने दरवाजे बंद किए, हम लोग अंदर नहीं गए, हम लोग ने बाहर से बहुत सिर्फ नारेबाजी की है। और नरेंद्र मोदी शर्म करो, नरेंद्र आपसे डरता है, पुलिस को आगे करता है। ये नारा जैसी हमने लगाया, इनकी बुरी हालत हो गई, इन्होंने अंदर से पत्थर फेंके और पुलिस हमारी तरफ ध्यान दे रही है, उधर नहीं, पत्थर पड़ रहे अंदर से आपने, और पानी तो फिर बाहर से आया, किसी के हाथ में पत्थर नहीं था। देखिए एक आप बोल लीजिए
मैडम, पत्थर दोनों तरफ से चले, ये
बिल्कुल ये बदतमीजी है उनकी, ये हुल्लड़बाजी है। आप ही देखिए कितने घबराहट है, ये चेहरा है उनका। अरे बात हमने बोलने दीजिए, लेट मी स्पीक।
मैडम, ये स्पर्धा किस लेवल तक जाएगी? पत्थर दोनों तरफ से चले हैं, लाठियां चली है, सब कुछ
नहीं, हम ये देख रहे हैं
आने वाले दिनों में
हम बिल्कुल हम ये देख रहे हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा गंदगी जो है बढ़ रही है और ये बहुत ही हिंसक की पूरा माहौल पैदा करने की कोशिश की जा रही है और इतनी ज्यादा बौखलाहट, क्या पत्थर फेंक रहे हैं। प्रोटेस्ट हमने हमेशा किए हैं, लेकिन इतनी ज्यादा पिटाई, मतलब बस 10-15 मिनट ही हम लोग खड़े होंगे कि इतनी बदतमीजी। तो हम देख रहे हैं आगे क्या किस तरह की कितनी बौखलाहट है इस वक्त बीजेपी के दफ्तर के अंदर, ये देखने को मिल रही है। क्योंकि आप क्यों, अगर कोई नारेबाजी कर भी रहा है, आप चुपचाप रहेंगे? आप ये सब क्यों करेंगे? आप पत्थर फेंकेंगे? आप भी नारेबाजी? बिल्कुल पता है, आप बिल्कुल झूठ है ये बात। मैं खुद खड़ी थी सामने, क्या तो मैं झूठ बोली? मेरे हाथ में कोई पत्थर नहीं है, हमारे सब लोग हैं। मेरी जबान है, ये किसी की तरफ से नहीं है।
हमारी तरफ से
वो लोग अंदर खड़े होकर
हमारी तरफ से ऐसी कोई हरकत नहीं है।
कहाँ पत्थर है? कुर्सियाँ, ईंटें, लकड़ी, कुर्सी, मेज वो फेंकी जा रही है अंदर से तोड़ कर। तो बहुत ही अफसोस की बात है।
भाई डिवीजन कर लूँ क्या?
That's the reaction coming in from Shazia Almi of the Aam Aadmi Party. Sambit Patra, Shazia Almi is saying there were stones pelted at the Aam Aadmi Party workers from inside the BJP headquarters.
Not at all false claims. I am seeing the live coverage over here through your channel. Where was the stone? No stone pelted at anyone, in fact. In fact, it is the Aam Aadmi Party, the anarchist way of functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party, that trespassed into the property of the national political party of this country, vandalized the property there. And still, I'm thankful to the BJP workers that they've taken it all on their chest, lying down.
Sampit, I don't think it was lying down. We saw with our own eyes chairs being thrown, flagpoles being thrown from inside the BJP office. And tell me, which law is it? Under which law of the IPC? Which law is it that states that for a traffic jam you arrest a person?
Was he arrested?
He was taken into detention?
No, not at all.
It was an afterthought.
Mr. Javed, I heard...
The Gujarat police officer later coming and saying it was an afterthought.
I have faith on the police officers of Gujarat and across the country. And what I heard through your own channel, when the police officer from Gujarat, a senior IPS officer, was saying that very respectfully Mr. Kejriwal was ushered into the police station saying that, well, sir, there is a problem.
Dr.
Just a second,
Patra,
let me
I want you
complete.
to look at those shots.
No,
I want you to look at those pictures. The pictures.
Maruk, please don't cow down me. Let me
I'm
complete.
not trying to cow you down. I'm going to ask the Aam Aadmi Party, but please look at the pictures. Look at what the BJP workers are doing inside.
Look at the picture. The banner of BJP is being torn.
Inside the BJP headquarters.
The BJP's banner is being torn. Who would tear the BJP's banner?
There are chairs being flung out.
Yes, that's what the Aam Aadmi Party is doing.
Mr. Patra, there are no...
These are shots from inside the BJP headquarters.
Inside also the Aam Aadmi Party has entered, vandalizing the property of the BJP office in order to garner some oxygen.
Dr. Patra, are you even listening and seeing the pictures? The
Yes,
pictures
I'm
are from
seeing the
inside the
picture.
BJP headquarters.
Yes.
They're flinging chairs outside.
Right now I saw the picture. If you can repeat, that the banner of the national headquarters of BJP was being torn. Who would tear the banner of
Okay,
national
let me bring in Preeti Sharma Menon of the Aam Aadmi Party, who's also joining us. Preeti Menon, what was the Aam Aadmi trying to do by going outside the BJP headquarters, putting the weight of the workers against the BJP gates? What were you trying to do if not inch for a fight?
Before I answer that question, what I'd like to say very categorically over here is that Mr. Patra is lying in the face of actual footage which he can see.
Please,
where
Preeti ji,
persons
don't
are
teach
throwing
about what
things.
truth is.
He's
You come
lying
from
on
a party
national
of
television.
U-turns.
And that's really,
Preeti
really
ji, please
upsetting.
don't teach us what
This
truth is. You come from a
that
party of
wants to
U-turns.
be in power. This is such uncivil behavior. Even
That's a huge mistake that I made. Mr. Kalappa of the Congress Party is joining us in the studio. Mr. Kalappa, the BJP is saying this is being done at the behest of the Congress Party, that you're also involved.
No, the BJP is obviously speaking a lie, and the Congress has obviously nothing to do with this, and the BJP is merely trying to bring the Congress's name for no particular reason. But I may just like to point out that Mr. Modi by nature is a fascist, and by detaining Kejriwal, he has just shown what he's really capable of. You know, everybody knows he's dictatorial, everybody knows he has complete control of the bureaucracy and the police, and this is really the net effect of what Mr. Modi has been doing in Gujarat, that, you know, he doesn't tolerate any dissent, any voices of dissent, and this is really what he has done. You see, even in so far
but Mr. Kalappa,
even in so far as the Congress
apart
party
from
is
making this
concerned.
personal attack on Narendra Modi, the Congress Party is either sitting back and enjoying the fun of Aam Aam Aadmi Party fighting versus the BJP, or is feeling left out,
But
completely left out?
No, but why-
because now
why
it is
doesn't
becoming
Mr.
a
Modi
Kejriwal
resign?
versus Modi fight.
No, but
and
why
the
doesn't
Congress
Mr.
is
Modi
left out
resign? That's the
completely.
point.
Resign
You see-
for what?
No, no.
Why
you
should
see-
Mr. Modi
you
resign?
see, Mr. Modi,
Your Prime Minister who is not functioning is not resigning. Why should
Okay,
Mr. Modi
Just a
resign?
second. We also have Preeti Sharma Menon from the Aam Aadmi Party. Preeti Sharma Menon, Ashutosh from your party says, has given an open threat, issued an open threat to the BJP saying that we won't be scared by you. Now watch what we do next. What kind of language is this? What is the Aam Aadmi Party coming down to? What is politics coming down to? Fisticuffs on the streets of Delhi?
These are not fisticuffs that we have engaged in. We have a right to protest. When we say what we will do is not necessarily a threat which is a violent threat. What we will do in terms of changing this country, because what you see over here is a promise of violence that is going to, the country is going to suffer if ever Modi comes into power. Let's first go back to what happened in Gujarat.
Preeti Sharma Menon.
Arvind Kejriwal
No,
is
I don't know how
travelling
you
and
can
there are
justify
cars-
this. Your workers come outside the BJP headquarters, start pushing against the gates, bring down that banner. Were you just doing this as a mark of protest? Did you
Let
not
me
expect
complete-
a reaction to it? Is it not what you wanted? Isn't drama and propaganda one of the basic tactics that the Aam Aadmi Party has been using all along?
I think the right to protest of citizens is something that you cannot deny them. We are going to protest every time some democratic right is snatched away.
You don't say that this kind of
was
protest is
driving
allowed
through
in
the
this
streets
country.
and he was
Preeti ji, please
arrested for causing a
rectify
traffic
yourself.
jam. I don't know why
I want to come in
everybody
over here.
speaks in between.
I
I
am
don't know
speaking in
basic
between
civil
today. I'm really
sense.
angered. I'm angered, and that's the
Manners
reason as to
don't
why I'm
exist in
speaking
this
between. If you mislead the country,
so
Preeti ji,
ridiculous.
then speak in
I'm
between.
ashamed to be part of such a discussion where people
better be
interrupt.
ashamed. Aam Aadmi Party better feel ashamed today. This is no way of protesting in
No,
this
no, one
country.
second, one second.
No, no.
One second, one
Please
second.
allow Ms. Menon to have a say.
No,
Maruk,
let her
Maruk,
speak
let
and
me
then
have
you
a
speak.
single sentence.
Let us have everybody. No, no, let us have everybody speak. Preeti
It's
Sharma
only
Menon,
fair that
finish
you
your
allow her
comment,
to speak
please.
and then you can speak. Yes, Ms. Menon, please go ahead.
The way he interrupts is so mannerless. I mean, one doesn't know what to say in the face of such
Please,
behavior.
Preeti ji,
See
don't
what
call me
happens.
manner.
One
No,
second,
if
Dr.
she calls me
Batra.
names, I'm not going
No,
to
no,
sit back over here.
we must understand.
This
let's
is not
not
the way the
get
country's
personal
politics
here.
is going to
No, no,
function.
I will request all of you, please let's not get personal here. Let Preeti Sharma Menon finish and then I'll come to you, Dr. Patra. Preeti Sharma.
Arvind was driving through the streets. Has anyone ever been arrested for causing a traffic jam? What we saw over there is a demonstration of BJP might and a demonstration of how BJP can immediately take away the civic liberties of ordinary people. And the protest, therefore, is to protest against that. That here is a party which takes away basic civic liberties of a person to travel on a road as if the road belongs to them.
No,
It's
no,
a
but
Jagir
whatever
of theirs and
happened
they
in
can use their own
Gujarat,
police
did
force
we
to
require such a
intimidate
kind of
people traveling on the
provocative
road.
act in
And
Delhi? Did we need such a provocative act in Delhi? What
It
the
is
Aam
not a
Aadmi Party
provocative
has
act.
done,
It is a
followed
protest.
by
It
open
is a
threats being
protest.
issued by leaders of your party, including Ashutosh. This is bringing down politics to a very low, abysmal low.
The fact is that it has been brought to an abysmal low by BJP, once by taking away civil liberties and then by
want
throwing
to
stones
respond
and
first.
chairs and using all kinds of devices to put down a
Okay,
protest.
you're repeating the
against
same
their
thing, Preeti Sharma
autocratic
Menon.
behavior.
One second, Dr. Patra.
Maruk, I need
No,
to-
no,
I need to
no,
rebut
one
over you. No,
second,
the
one
country
second.
is
I'll
watching.
come back to you.
No, no,
no,
I have
one
to rebut.
second.
I have to
One
rebut to-
second.
rebut
One
to what
second,
Preeti
Dr.
says.
Patra. Let us not have a repeat of what's happened on the streets of Delhi. Javed Ansari, at this point, this is playing out on a day the election dates have been announced. Clearly, this seems to be the kind of narrative we are going to have in the run-up to 2014, it seems.
And it will be a very sad day. It will be a very sorry state of affairs if this is a precursor of things to come. There are no innocent parties in this. It was not a very wise or prudent move to detain Mr. Arvind Kejriwal in the manner that he was. It wasn't, like I said, there are no innocent parties. In a month from now, we will have a chance to cast our votes and choose who will lead this country. Let's speak through the ballot, not through street balls and not through blows.
Dr. Patra.
Most importantly, I would like to ask Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, how many times the Aam Aadmi Party has gone to the Congress office and had similar kind of protests? The Congress Party which was responsible for the so-called Augusta Westland deal, the Congress Party which has put the life of the President of the India in a threat because they want... No. This is very important.
What angle are you trying to
Maruk,
bring in?
I'll come to the angle. I'll come to the angle also. Just a second. The angle is you wanted to fight the corruption of this country. There's no single charge against Mr. Modi. You were fighting the Congress from the very beginning. And here you are saying that Modi is the biggest threat to the country.
Tomorrow,
This is a design by the Congress played
if your
through the
main
Aam Aadmi
leader
Party.
is detained
Farooq,
in
I'd
the
like to
state,
comment on
I
this.
would like to see what the BJP will do. We are not justifying what the Aam Aadmi Party
you
has
gave
done.
sufficient
One
amount
second.
of time to Preeti. Let me complete my
Sure,
point
sure,
of view.
yeah.
Just a second. Secondly, is this the way, a legal way of protesting, where you enter into the office of the national political party and tear its banner? Is this the way you protest?
Well, you're flinging chairs
No, this
on
is
them.
no way of protesting. And thirdly, was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal arrested or detained? He was neither arrested nor detained. If anyone would have been arrested or detained, then there would have been a bail necessary for that. No bail. He was just told to come to the police station for his own security. And this is a classical
You're
VIP
clearly saying
syndrome.
that.
Somebody
Please,
was-
symbolically what was done to
Somebody-
symbolically what was done to
syndrome of
Arvind
Arvind
Kejriwal.
Kejriwal.
One second, for our viewers at this point, just to put the entire story in perspective, earlier today in Gujarat, Arvind Kejriwal was holding his road show where he was asked by the Gujarat police in a certain area to come to the police station because he was told that his cavalcade is disrupting traffic. 15 to 30 minutes later, he was released, after which Arvind Kejriwal came out and said that Narendra Modi is rattled by him being in Gujarat, which is why this action was taken, following which these scenes that you see outside the BJP headquarters in the capital, where Aam Aadmi Party workers came there, they stood against the gate, tried to push it open, and this is what has happened. This is the view from the BJP side, where chairs are being flung out to the Aam Aadmi Party workers. Let us be very clear, headlines today is not justifying what the Aam Aadmi Party is doing or what the BJP is doing in turn. It is just a sad state of politics at this point, where on a day Election Commission has announced the dates, this is what is happening on the streets. Javed, clearly, this seems to be an all-out Kejriwal Modi fight on the streets, and very dirty politics at that.
Well, that's the attempt to turn it into a personalized thing. There are no innocent parties, and now it's incumbent upon leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, senior leaders of the BJP. Wiser counsel has to prevail, and people should draw back. You know, the adrenaline is pumping, but the situation can get out of hand. So therefore, leaders on both political parties will be well advised. Don't allow things to go to such a state where the spillover will be totally out of control.